Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae. I'm back today with another video. In today's video, guys, we have so much to discuss regarding EBT and the new year. But first of all, let me come to you and say Happy New Year, guys. Like, I have been MIA for the whole month of December, but I thought that I needed some rest before I come home and hit the ground running. So did you guys catch that? Like, your girl is coming home soon, and then we can be on this thing every single day. So yes, if you want to know what is going on in the lovely world of EBT this new year, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that, honey. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, because your girl is about to get it in this new year. So let me know, are you guys doing any New Year's resolutions? As well as, did you already eat like your collard greens, your black eyed peas? Are you into that, or what is your New Year's tradition? Yeah, let me know all those things below. And yeah, your girl did hers, okay? Because hey, what you do on the new year, it's gonna happen all year, right? So I had to put this video out. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the states that were approved this month for the emergency allotment.
Alabama will pay out on January 31st. California will pay out February 11th. Colorado will pay out January 8th through January 13th. DC will pay out with the district's regular issuance schedule. Hawaii will pay out February 13th. Illinois, January 21st through the 29th. Kansas, February 19th through the 28th. Louisiana, January 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th. Maine will pay out on January 10th. Maryland will pay out January 4th through the 23rd. Michigan will pay out January 21st through the 30th. New Jersey will pay out January 1st through the 5th. New Mexico will pay out January 1st through the 31st. North Carolina will pay out January 22nd through January 31st. Ohio will pay out January 24th. Oklahoma will pay out January 10th through January 15th. Oregon will pay out January 10th, the 30th, and February 1st. Pennsylvania will pay out January 18th through January 31st. Rhode Island will pay out January 4th. South Carolina will pay out January 1st through the 19th. Texas will pay out January 3rd through the 5th, and then January 9th through the 10th. Utah will pay out January 28th. Virginia will pay out on January 16th. Washington will pay out January 1st through the 4th, and then it's going to be staggered from the 5th through the 20th. West Virginia will pay out on January 4th, and Wisconsin will pay out on January 21st.
All right, so let's go ahead and go with the states that have been approved for pandemic EBT for this school year. And guys, yeah, it's still the one lonely, mighty Wisconsin.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and kick things off with the changes announced for those who have SNAP benefits in South Carolina. So South Carolina people, okay, the Department of Social Services announced that there will be an end to the SNAP emergency allotment program for all South Carolina households effective January 31st. Guys, this is so sad. I'm so sad to report this, but January 2023 has been approved by the United States Department of Agriculture, Food and Nutrition Services as the transition month for South Carolina. So then they will go back to normal SNAP benefit amounts for all households on February 1st. So let me repeat that, okay? For those that are in the back, effective February 1st, all SNAP households will go back to receiving their regular monthly benefit amount. So for example, if you had a two-person SNAP household, your regular amount was $250. Now, we know that prior to February 1st, 2023, when you were receiving the emergency allotment, two household families would have been $500, or a two-person household family would have been $516. So you are going to lose a lot of money beginning on February 1st. Now, the Department of Social Services do have on their website where you can log in starting tomorrow and view your regular monthly SNAP benefit amount. So that way you can just kind of get on track and see how you need to move going forward. So I know this is not what we wanted to hear, guys, at all. We do have some great news coming in the end of the video, but yeah, this is what's going on with South Carolina. Now, a lot of people are not happy with the changes that are being made, and even a lot of grocers in South Carolina is just like, hey, this is the worst time to do this. People have become accustomed to these benefits, and now you're going to take them away. So all my South Carolina people, start planning, start prepping, do what you need to do, because February 1st, unless something changes, you will go back to your regular SNAP benefit amount. Next, we are headed to Louisiana, baby, where SNAP and other benefits affected by the federal cost of living adjustment. So guys, you know that cost of living adjustment that happened in October, that we were kind of on the fence of if we liked it, or maybe we did, but maybe we didn't. Well, there's a fine line, okay? There's a thin line between love and hate, we'll say that. So due to the cost of living adjustment, some Louisiana homes may see a decrease in their SNAP and other benefits. So according to the Louisiana Department of Children and Family Services, there has been the largest increase in 40 years to Social Security and veteran benefits, but this increase will also affect families with benefits under the Family Independence Temporary Assistance Program, which is kind of like their 10F. Also will affect those that are in the Kinship Care Subsidy Program, and then those that are in the SNAP program, also known as food stamps. So your benefits will decrease in January of 2023, according to the Department of Children and Family Services in Louisiana. Now, they said due to the cost of living adjustment increase, 146,000 SNAP households will face a reduction of about $48 in monthly benefits. The benefit reduction may not be noticeable until the emergency allotment expires, once the public health emergency ends. So as of right now, I feel like these are the bad stories that I had to put up front, but I had to tell you guys. So as of right now, if you see a decrease in your benefits, it could be if you received an increase from the cost of living adjustment. I know you guys knew it was going to happen. We will see, but of course, you're not really going to feel the decrease coming out until the emergency allotment ends, and then you're going to see that your benefits are a lot lower. Now, there's a lot of things that are going on with this increase in different things, but let's move on to a brighter note, because I feel like my first two stories were just so bad. Let's talk where the money reside, okay? All right, guys, so this is where I make my money at, because right now, the summer EBT program, guys, it is going to be permanent. Yes, the House voted 225 to 201 on Friday, December 23rd, in favor of the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2023. I know you guys are like, girl, what is that, Shalae? Well, this provides or includes $40 million to make the summer EBT available for all school children. So you don't have to worry about it every summer. When school is out, they will provide the following to each child. They will give you the EBT cards loaded that you can use to purchase food, up to $40 per child each month. They also will do the grab and go delivery options for the summer meals in rural areas. You also can get up to 10 days worth of meals to take home instead of being required to eat them at the meal site. So remember how they did the lunch meal programs? Nope. You don't have to do that anymore. They will also give benefits to younger children in households that participate in SNAP, or if they're in the child care facility that is closed or operating on reduced hours, or even for those child facilities in areas where they are closed with reduced attendance as well. So this is a big win, because we remember that I want to say in 2021 it was $375 a month that most people received, and then also it was $391. So this is a great thing. Over the summer you will now be able to feed your kids. Hopefully we can make the emergency allotment permanent. We'll see, but what do you think about this one? Next, we're headed to Oregon, where there's help for low-income Oregonians who lost food in the power storm outages. So all my Oregonians, if you use state assistance benefits to buy food that went bad during the recent winter storm, you may be eligible for help. So people who had to throw away food that you purchased with your SNAP benefits because of the power outages, you can ask for replacement benefits. Recipients must ask for those replacement funds within 10 calendar days, guys, of the food loss. So the Oregon Department of Human Services, which administers the benefits, of course, these could be called food stamps, replacement benefits, whatever you want to call them, but they are capped out at an amount that is equal to 1 month of the normal benefit amount for the household. So to request your replacement benefits, the only thing you have to do is call customer service at 1-800-699-9075.
And that's it, guys. This is all that's going on in the lovely world of EBT. But don't worry, honey. There is so much that's going on in 2023. And your girl is going to be back stateside to bring you all the latest and greatest. I mean, daily videos. We're going to talk about tax refunds. We're going to talk about everything. So I know it was a little bit hard because I was deployed. But hey, you know what? All good things must come to an end. Now I'll be at home and I can bring the videos to you daily if you would like. As well as, let me know, guys, what do you have planned for this year? Are you guys starting businesses this year? Are you going to get the money flowing to your household this year? Let me know all those things below. Honestly, I want to do a lot of bigger things this year. Like, I definitely want to expand my business. I definitely want to record more. I just enjoy this. Like, I enjoy talking to you guys. So hopefully you're down with the ride. I know you guys haven't seen me in this hair before, but let me know what you guys think about my hair. I just got it twisted because, that way I can continue to work out. This may not have been the most appropriate shirt, but hey, this is what I had on and this is what you're going to get in the new year. And yeah, that's all I have, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, get on YouTube. If you guys ever wanted to get on YouTube, sign up with Amazon Prime. But guys, when I tell you this is the year to chase our dreams, this is the year to chase our dreams and make everything come true. And I believe in you and you believe in me. So let's do it. All right. Talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.